Today I am going to teach you how to make Windows bootable USB using command prompt. First of all, we should have one pen drive attached to one USB port. In this case I have a 16 GB pen drive. You can see over here, which is my E drive. And in a folder we should have our Windows operating system files. Here we have to execute certain commands in command prompt to achieve this. To open command prompt, you have to go to search box. You have to type there CMD, then one pop-up menu will be opened. There you have to click command prompt. Now you have your command prompt window here. Here you have to type certain commands. The first command is disk part. Just type disk part, then you press enter. Suddenly a new window of disk part will be opened. You can see over here. Here we will type another command, list disk. This will help you know the drives on your computer. See, I have two drives here, disk 0 and disk 1. In your case this may be different. My pen drive is disk 1. So we will go to the next command. So I am going to select disk 1, which is my pen drive. Just type select disk 1 and press enter. Now we have another command, clean. You have to type clean, press enter. Now we will go to the next command, create partition primary. Just type create partition primary and press enter. Now we will go to the next command, select partition 1. Just type and press enter. Once this is over, we have to go to the next command. We have to format our pen drive. This is a command, format fs is equal to ntfs quick. Here we have file system ntfs and this is going to be a quick format. This will take some time. Once this is over, we will go to our next command, which is active. You have to type active. Press enter. We have finished our work. Now we have to exit from the window. Just type command exit. Now go to your Windows folder, select the whole content, copy, go to your pen drive, which is bootable now, open it, paste the content. So this is how you have to make the bootable pen drive. Thanks for watching the video.